Practical applications of algebraic expressions using formulas. A formula is a mathematical rule that can be written as an equation. Equations can be solved by substituting the value of the variable and then solving it. Let's look at some formulas. Example 1 has the area of a rectangle. We have a rectangle here with length and width. The formula for area of a rectangle is length times width. This is an algebraic expression. Two letters next to each other mean to multiply. The length is 10 feet, the width is 5 feet. So our solution is to substitute in for length and width the 5 and the 10. 5 times 10 equals 50, so our answer is 50 square feet. In our second example, we have the area of a square. Remember, in a square, all four sides are exactly the same. So we can use the formula area equals side squared. The side here is 6 yards. So our solution is to do 6 squared. We substitute the 6 in for the s. We get 36 because 6 times 6 is 36. Area equals 36 square yards. In our next problem, we have a triangle. The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. When we have the number in front of the letter, remember it means to multiply. Two letters next to each other mean to multiply. So we're going to be multiplying 1/2 times the base times the height. The base is 12 inches, the height is 5 inches. So I substitute these numbers in for the base and the height in my solution. 1/2 times 12 times 5. Remembering that I can multiply in any order, 12 times 5 is 60. 1/2 times 60 is 30. So my answer is 30 square inches. We now have a circle. Remember, our radius goes from the center to the circle. Our formula for area of a circle we've done before, pi r squared, where pi is 3.14. The radius in this circle is 3 inches. Let's substitute in 3.14 for pi. 3 squared is 3 times 3, which we know is 9. 3.14 times 9 is 28.26. So we write 28.26 square inches. Remember, whenever we find area, our answers are all labeled in square units. In example 5, we have perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter is the distance around the outside, as if you were putting a fence around the object. The perimeter formula is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, since we have 2 lengths and 2 widths. Our length in this case is 12 feet, our width is 7 feet. So let's substitute those numbers in. 2 times the length is 2 times 12. 2 times the width is 2 times 7. Remembering, we multiply before we add. So 2 times 12 is 24. 2 times 7 is 14. Now I can add them together to get 38. Perimeter is 38 feet. We're not finding area, so we just label it as regular feet. Perimeter of a square, remember, the square has all 4 equal sides. So they're all the same. I can just say the perimeter equals 4 times the side. And since the side is 8 yards, 4 times 8 is 32. My answer here is 32 yards. Lastly, example 7, perimeter of a triangle. You need to add all 3 sides. And in a triangle, all 3 sides can be different. They could be the same, but you never know. So we say A plus B plus C. And in this case, A equals 10 feet, B equals 9 feet, and C equals 13 feet. We add those 3 numbers when we substitute them in, 10 plus 9 plus 13, and we get 32. Our answer is 32 feet.
Please pause the video now and complete the problems in your workbook. When finished, press play and we'll continue with the next lesson.